Alright, man. How y'all doing, man? So, I'm about to make some protein brownies, right? Using this Coogies brownies. And, let me see, 2 eggs, melted butter. So, first thing I'm gonna do is melt the butter. I'm gonna use some banana milk. And there's gonna be some keto frosting on the top. And I'm gonna put some whey protein in that to get that real good protein effect. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do really is melt some butter. 1/2 cup of melted butter. So we're gonna take, let me see where the butter at. We're gonna have to get a stick of butter. Pure Irish butter. Pure Irish butter. Got some chicken defrosted. All right, so let me see, 1 cup. It's a good thing I got some measurements on there. 1 cup. I don't even know how to see how much is 1 cup. Oh shit, it says 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup. 1 stick is 1/2 cup. Oh, that's crazy. Alright, we just gonna have to use the whole stick, man. So, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this butter melting. And then I'm gonna get back to y'all, alright? Okay, so we're gonna get the butter melting up in there. This is gonna be my bowl. You're gonna follow the instructions. Remember, you gotta follow some instructions. That's easy part. Let me see. Number 1, 350. Preheat oven 350. So let me see, 350. Make sure it's empty up in there. I'm gonna turn this on for the sound. We're gonna have to grease this thing up. We're gonna have to clean it first though. Wash this out. You just let that go for a second. It's saying electric mixer, but I don't got that. So we gonna stir it up regular. Beat the eggs, butter, vanilla, water in a bowl. Let me get the vanilla. Let me see the vanilla. Where the vanilla at? All right, so we got this washed out. We got our vanilla. I don't know which one's a teaspoon, to be honest. I'm gonna just say it's this one. I really don't know. Best believe I'm not washing that again. All right. So let me see. 2 eggs. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna put it right all in there. Let me see if I can do this. All right, so I just opened up the protein. Samantha. Just open up the protein and the powder. So first things first, we're gonna dabble that in there. All right. Now that that's all in there, let's see. We're gonna do 2 eggs. So 2 eggs. Let me see. Got myself 2 eggs. Oh, I don't know what's going on with that egg, so I'm just gonna replace that. We're gonna have the brown egg and the white egg. Ooh. Just crack the egg. Let me see. 1-hander. That shit hard. There we go. Boom. The one-handed, now my hands is dirty. Let's see. We're gonna use a fork. We're gonna use a regular old fork. So we got the egg in there. Next step, we need the butter, the egg, the butter. Look at all that healthy butter. The egg, the butter, the vanilla extract. So we're gonna open this up. And let's see. So 1 tablespoon. I can't do this with 2 hands. I could actually. Let me see. All right, there we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. And 1. That was definitely more than 1. But that's okay. That's okay. You could do more than 1. And I'm not using water because why would I do that? I'm gonna use some banana milk. 1/4 cup of banana milk. Where the cups at? 1/4 cup. That's a 1/3 cup. I think this is a 1/4 cup. I can't tell. It's 1/2 cup. So if I just use the 1/2 cup, actually, let me see. This gotta be the 1/4 cup, because it's the 1/3 cup. But we ain't gonna use a 1/4 cup because we're gonna put some protein in it. So let me see. I'm gonna take some whey protein. We got a scoop. A scoop is about 29 grams. A scoop about 25 grams of protein. So let me see. This thing is nice and packed in there. So boom, about 25 grams. And honestly, I think I should put about another scoop in there. Maybe not the full scoop. I'm gonna try that. Oh, I might as well do the whole scoop. We're gonna seal this off. And then back to this, let me see. So banana milk. Let's seal this up. Don't want to make a mess. 1/4 cup. So definitely not a 1/4 cup. I mean, I don't want it to be too thick, but I also don't want it to be watery. So we're gonna do the 1/4 cup. Let me see what the 1/4 cup looking like. Obviously, we're just gonna do two 1/4 cups. 2 1/4 cups. That's about half. So about half a cup. Probably still not enough, but I'm gonna check it out. So boom, I'm gonna start mixing that, and then once I got it mixed, I'm gonna get back on the shot. So. Alright, so remember y'all, I said we need an electric mixer and we don't got that. It looked pretty smooth to me. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Don't look. I mean, from my understanding, this thing really it's kind of fudgy. You know what I'm saying? That looking good. Woo! Got some chocolate chips in there. So we're gonna have to butter. We're gonna have to butter this up. Got some butter right here. And we're gonna get right to it. Oop, dropped it. I dropped the lid, y'all. Oh, my hand. My hand was cramping. Baby Bella Booze. Hey Bella. My cat is afraid of me, y'all. Bella, what you doing, man? What you over there looking scary for? I really think I'm about to put my hands on this butter. Bella. So here we got it, folks. I ain't gonna lie, I could not wait, and I tried this whole edge right here. It's kind of dry. I'm about to put this icing on it, but it's still too hot. I'm gonna let it cool off. Some keto icing, Burke's blenders. Never tried it before. And yeah, protein brownies, man. You know, I didn't get the shot. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this to my sister. I put some icing on there. The icing kind of melted, but it's good stuff. So I'm gonna take this to my sister and see what she say. So I'm gonna drive over, head over, and let y'all know. So I'm recording. I just got to my sister's house. All the frosting melted and stuff. It actually looked kind of good. I mean, the chocolate on the top melted like that. It's a good look. It's all oozing off the side. It looked more like a fudge cake now. Not really a brownie, but.
There's a little truck, and this truck had like a gas tank or a propane tank as part of it.
Take that, you can take that. That's icing right there. We tried to moisten it up. Because you know what? It said I was supposed to use a quarter cup of milk. I mean water.
And you didn't.
But I was like, nah, I'm not about to use a quarter. I put half a cup of banana milk. But it still looked kind of dry. But it was definitely good though.
I don't know why it tastes like I don't know how to explain it. Have you ever had like rum cake?
Rum cake?
Yeah.
She said it tastes like rum cake.
Yeah.
Wait, rum cake is supposed to be like the alcohol is not in it, right?
No, there is alcohol in it.
There is alcohol
Yeah.
in it?
It's rum. Well,
But I thought it's
rum
supposed
is
No,
evaporates.
I mean it's not like
It's just a taste of it.
I thought it was supposed to like cook out.
Yeah, it does.
Oh.
It evaporates,
it's not
but
gonna make me drunk.
it tastes.
Like rum.
I ain't gonna lie, it was smacking.
Huh?
I thought it was pretty good.
There's a literal like very similar taste. I just can't put my finger on it. But you want some?
What is it, 1 to 10?
1 to 10? I'd say a 6.
That's 6. That's 6. You know what the spin is?
What?
It's a protein brownie.
Some weird shit.
I put 50 grams of whey protein in it.
I know it was something. You're bugging out.
Nah, but you said it was a 6. That's pretty good for a protein brownie.
It did taste like a protein.
It's just the taste.
I can't determine the macros because I'll have to. I know how I could have, but I didn't. I was supposed to